Are you wondering how to reboot your airbag system after an inflation? Let's now see how to replace the inflator in your InnoMotion airbag. Once inflated, the pressure in the airbag cushion will slowly go down. However, the airbag cushion will stay inflated in order to prevent any additional risk after the fall. On the inner box, the inflator LED on the upper left will become red, indicating that the inflator is empty. To reactivate the airbag system, you need to follow 5 steps. Step 1. The gear. For this after-inflation process, you need a new InnoMotion motorbike inflator, a standard inflation system such as a bike pump or a compressor, the mobile app My InnoBox, and the airbag vest with its InnoBox. A few things to know about the inflator. Inflators can be ordered on the InnoMotion website by contacting InnoMotion customer service. You can also get one by going to your local reseller. All the instructions are detailed in the user manual. Here are some simple and important rules of use. Inflators are made for single use. After an inflation, it cannot be reloaded and must be recycled like any other metallic object. Only motorbike inflators provided by InnoMotion are certified and assure the proper functioning of the InnoMotion airbag system. The inflator must be handled with care. By all means, don't touch the blue connector located on the bottom and don't drop it. Warning, do not throw away a full inflator that has never been triggered. From the mobile app My InnoBox, scan the new inflator's QR code with the app. Step 2. Checking that the airbag vest isn't damaged. Make sure the airbag vest doesn't have holes, tears, or broken threads, and that the plastic parts do not show bleaching areas. Check that the zipper isn't damaged. Remove the inner box and access the inflator by opening the zipper on the back of the airbag vest. Check that the back protector is not damaged. Step 3. Removing the used inflator. Unclip the inflator by pulling it upwards. Be careful. If changing your inflator straight after an inflation, it can be very hot. If it doesn't unclip easily, you can pry it using a flat screwdriver to remove it. Warning, to avoid damage, do not force the connector and do not pull on the cable to remove it. Delicately remove the connector by pinching the 2 sides at the same time and pull. For more ease, pinch one side and then the other before pulling it out. Check that the connector is not damaged. Unscrew the inflator by holding the blue insert in one hand and the canister in the other hand. The remaining gas contained in the airbag cushion will now be released automatically. Step 4. Controlling the airbag cushion. Take your inflation adapter provided with the inflator and screw it in the place of the inflator. You'll now need any sort of pumping system, like for instance a bicycle pump. Place the inflation system into the adapter. Inflate the vest to 0.3 bars and check that it does not deflate. Check that the airbag vest inflates on all the protection areas, abdomen, thorax, neck and spine. Then make sure the fabric is intact and that the seams are not fraying. Remove the inflation system, unscrew the adapter and completely remove the air contained in the airbag. Warning, if the vest does not inflate on all the protected areas or deflates quickly, do not use it and contact your local reseller. Step 5. Installing the new inflator. Check that the airbag cushion is completely empty of air. Check that the seal is positioned correctly and is not damaged. Do not connect the connector to the inflator before having screwed the inflator into the airbag vest. Insert the inflator into the tube and screw it tightly. Plug the connector into the inflator the right way up. If it does not insert correctly, just turn it around half a turn. You will hear a click that confirms that the connector is plugged in correctly. Place the inflator in its housing and check that it's fully maintained. Close the zipper completely, turn on your InnoBox and insert it into its housing. If the inflator LED turns green, you're ready to go. Finally, tick the boxes on the mobile app to validate that the process has been completed and click the Validate button. If you have any questions, contact the InnoMotion team. Follow us on our social networks and we'll see you soon!